back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be making a scrambled dish of paneer, also known as bhurjee, with the famous Indian naan bread, fluffy and soft, topped with cilantro butter. This is a dramatic twist on a classic paneer curry, adding great flavor and texture to the dish. Let's begin! In a large bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To our all-purpose flour, we're going to add 2 cups of wheat flour because we want our naan to be a little bit healthier. To a bowl of 1 cup of lukewarm water, you're going to add a tablespoon of sugar. Going to add a little bit of salt. We have a teaspoon of dry active yeast. Now you're going to let the yeast sit and activate for 5 minutes. Tablespoon of oil. Add our water with the active yeast in it. Just like that, and now we're going to mix it up into a dough. So as you see, my dough is kind of sticky, but that is what we want. Now I'm going to cover this with a plate, and we're going to let this set for 15 minutes. Now for the paneer bhurjee, we're going to take a block of paneer and grate it finely. This is what it looks like after it is grated. The vegetables you will need to make the paneer bhurjee are 2 serrano chilies finely chopped, 1 cup of tomatoes into small cubes, 2 colors of bell pepper, half a cup, and half a cup of green peas. So in a saucepan, I'm going to turn on the flame first into medium flame, and I'm going to take approximately 2 tablespoons of butter, add that in, and to make sure that the butter doesn't burn, we're going to add half a tablespoon of oil. Just like that. Now since my butter is hot, I'm going to add a tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, and our 2 serrano chilies. And I'm going to stir this up. So now I'm going to add our cup of finely chopped tomatoes, salt according to taste. Now that my tomatoes have cooked, the spices we are going to add are 1/4 of a tablespoon of turmeric, 1/4 of a tablespoon of red chili powder, 1/4 of a tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala. So now that my spices are wonderfully roasting, and actually it smells really nice in here, I actually need it to be a little bit watery, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of water. Now to this, I'm going to add all of my vegetables, the bell pepper, and the green peas. Now that my vegetables are done cooking, I'm going to add my paneer. half a tablespoon of dried mango powder, a tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. And the way we're gonna do this is we're going to take a little bit and put it in our hands, and we're going to just grind it up like this. Add a tablespoon of butter. Now our Paneer Bhurjee is done, and I'm going to actually throw away the bay leaf because we don't need that anymore. And I'm going to add it into a bowl. So now that my Paneer Bhurjee is done, we're going to make our naan. So now I'm going to check out my dough, and ooh, it has doubled in size. And now we're going to gently knead it. So I have added a little bit of oil to my hands so that the dough does not stick to me. And I'm going to still knead it. To make this into small balls, so this is the size that they need to be. To cook the naan, we're going to make it on a skillet, so I'm just going to warm up the skillet. And now over here I have a dough ball, and I'm going to let it dust in flour. And now I'm going to roll it out. Okay, now I'm going to roast it on a skillet. So I'm just going to take it here in my hand and slap it on there. Now I'm going to let this cook on medium flame. As you can see, there are some bubbles forming, and that indicates that we have to now flip it. Into a plate, and I have here cilantro butter, which is basically just melted butter and cilantro. I'm going to take a little bit of it and add it onto there, just like that. So this is what it looks like after it's been plated, and now I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I'm gonna first try the naan plain. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and try this. It's very fluffy. It has kind of a buttery and tangy taste because of the yeast. And it's also very soft. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try the naan with the Paneer Bhurjee. It's very different from the other paneer curries you would usually make. You can really taste the spices. It brings a really nice flavor. The vegetables, it has that texture that I'm looking for. And yeah, I'm just gonna go in for another bite because this is really good. So there you have it, a delicious and quick full Indian meal. The aroma of the spices makes this unique paneer dish stand out on its own. The fluffy naan bread makes it a scrumptious and spicy meal. This is a perfect dish to impress your friends and family with. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And hit the bell notification so you know when I post another video. Also comment any dishes you guys want me to make. See you next time!